welcome back to another episode. It's the Flinders Wrap. Loved our experience up here. So much to explore. We'll definitely be back, probably fairly regularly. Enjoy the episode.
So just with the flight, because it's a quick 10 minutes, we'll just go up to the bus, and we're going to avoid all that.
Right.
And then we'll just pass the Pena and we'll be to the track.
Beautiful.
Okay? So I've been placed since 2018. Alright guys, all good, all costed, all okay?
Let's go!
How good was that?
What do you think? Great.
We only did the 10-minute one, and probably just as well because we've got a lot of cloud cover today. So we just basically went up and over the pound, but it was cool. You'll see the footage, obviously.
Brilliant.
Good fun.
Grin from ear to ear
Yeah.
the whole time.
That's really good.
Well done.
Heading off to Port Augusta. Bit of nighttime travel.
Always good. Love our nighttime travelling, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
A few coffees.
Yep. And there's a tree tower there. Just googling what to do at Port Augusta. So keen to give that a crack. See how high I can get. Alright, coming into Port Augusta. And off to the Port Augusta Hotel.
For a pub meal.
Alright, so just a note guys, if you're travelling back to Adelaide and you're coming from the Flinders Ranges and you just want a bit of a stopover for any reason, we've stopped at Port Augusta. So this is the Port Augusta Motorhome Park, and it's on a sports ground. So it's actually really good. There's a fair bit of parking space here. And you're just on dirt, but that's no big deal. And they've got their sports club there, so you can get meals at the club and a couple of drinks. The cost was $7 a night, and yeah, it's a good stay. I can recommend it for sure. So much for my big tree climb. It's a water tower. Oh well, looks like some nice views up there. Let's check it out.
So we've just come to the West Side Water Tower. It's supposed to be a pretty good lookout, so we'll have a crack, see what we think. But that's it there. Yeah, let's go up and have a gander, eh?
Just having a drive through Port Pirie, stopped for a coffee, and now we're off again. Might try and check out the solo art at Snowtown. Stay tuned.
It'll be interesting, yeah.
I'd like to make a bit of a clip art with all the solo art as we drive around. We haven't done much, we haven't seen much, have we? And I'm sure we've missed a lot. Did you go through towns and I forget to Google to see if there's anything there?
Got a little bit, but yeah. We'll have to try and find some more for sure.
And my favourite was the one at the Southern Flinders near Melrose.
Oh yeah, that was really good, wasn't it?
Beautiful. Like the colouring, it was just like a sepia colour, just like different colours just popped. Nice coffee at Tina's Woolshed Cafe.
If you've Port Pirie, the coffee's nice there. Looks like they got nice meals, and it was actually a little bit unique. The servery.
Yeah.
Andrew might drop a couple of photos down the bottom of it or something. But
yeah.
I thought it was good the way they'd done it.
Little tin veranda, like a
rusted tin veranda and old timber legs holding it up.
Yeah. It's always nice when
couple of lizards on it.
Yeah. It's nice when someone does something a bit different.
Yeah.
And we stopped at Harry's Fine Foods, I think it was called, between Port Augusta and Port Pirie. So he makes all his own jams and pickled this, pickled that.
Absolute big prawns, lobsters, calamari, like squid. It just had everything. It was just a big market. I was impressed.
Yeah, it's very good.
And what did we buy?
Oh, well, I meant to buy some calamari and I walked out with nothing.
Yeah. And I wanted prawns. She wouldn't let me have them.
Lake Bumbunga is known for its pink hues, earning it the title of Pink Lake. The colouring is caused by a chemical known as carotene, which is produced by the combination of halobacteria and Nalila salina, the latter of which is commonly used as a natural food colour and antioxidant. Whilst the bacteria represents a hive of microscopic activity, few other life forms are able to survive in such a harsh saline environment. Other than this creature, typically the pink coloration in the water increases as the lake begins to evaporate. Despite pink being its most well-known form, the lake also showcases several other striking colours, including blue, white, purple, grey and brown, and on many occasions, perfect reflections, as you can see in the drone footage.
Thanks for watching. That's the end of another episode. Don't know where we'll be for the next episode, but that's the exciting part of what we do. Good on yous.